In this video, I'm going to show how to use the chain rule, and let me remind you first what the chain rule is. When we're looking for the derivative of a composition of two functions, we take derivative of the outer function, plug in the inner function in it, and then we multiply everything by the derivative of the inner function. So when we applying the chain rule, it is crucial to be able to identify the composition. So for example here, what is g of x? G of x is e raised to the power x squared. So the outer function is, we can call it u, so u is exponentiation, and the inner function is v, which is the square. And we have here u of v, which is exactly e to the power x squared. And now if I want to find the derivative of this function, I'll just use the chain rule written for u and v. So derivative of u with v in it times derivative of v. So what is derivative of u? Derivative of u is just e to the x, and derivative of v is 2x. So that means derivative of g will be equal to derivative of u with v in it, but v is x squared, so I'm going to write e to the power x squared, and then multiply everything by derivative of v, which is 2x. So this is how we use the chain rule to differentiate a composition of two functions.